Assemblies are very important, especially having a beginning of year assembly, because having an assembly right at the start of the year, it helps get everyone on the same page, students and staff. Getting everyone on the same page with our expectations that we hold for the students, and we hold very high expectations here at Unity, and to get everyone on the same page with the virtues that we have at the school. We also want the students to know all the different clubs and activities and opportunities we have for them this year. And we also just want to create solidarity and cohesion and to unify as a middle school. The expectations that we have for our Unity students is number one, to excel, showing excellence in academics, their athletics, and in their character. We want them to have fun. We want it to be a joyful experience while they're bettering themselves as individuals. And we also want them to serve others. We are Unity.